Make a great choice today with the 2025 Wagoneer S. The Jeep Wagoneer S is an all-electric SUV that combines rugged Jeep design with cutting-edge electric performance. Featuring a spacious interior, advanced tech, and off-road capability, it aims to offer a versatile and eco-friendly driving experience while maintaining the brand's adventurous spirit.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.